How to care for a mylar plant. The mylar plant belongs to the Hyacinthaceae family. Hyacinths start out as bulbs, sprout in the spring, and bloom with colorful clusters of flowers. Caring properly for your mylar plants ensures seasonal blooms for years. Things you will need: tiller, organic fertilizer, handheld garden shovel, pruning shears. Till the soil to a depth of approximately 12 inches before planting. Mix in organic fertilizer while tilling to add nutrients to the soil. Plant mylar bulbs in full sun in moist soil with plenty of drainage. Plant mylar bulbs in the fall after soil temperatures dip below 60 degrees, but before the ground freezes with the first frost. Dig 6 to 8 holes at 4 to 6 inches apart and nest the bulbs in the soil. Water generously after planting. Trim away flower stalks after the blooms die in the spring. Allow the leaves to decay and die naturally. Compost the area in the fall to keep the soil moist and rich.